Did you know there's a giant serpent in our world that can survive for more than a year without a single meal? Imagine skipping breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Not just for days but for months. Most animals would starve. But the Burmese python has evolved one of the most incredible survival abilities in the animal kingdom. And that's only the beginning of what makes this snake so extraordinary. The Burmese python is one of the largest snakes on Earth. Native to Southeast Asia, these massive reptiles can grow over 18 feet long and weigh more than 200 pounds. But what truly amazes scientists isn't just their size, it's how their bodies handle food. Unlike humans who need to eat every day, Burmese pythons can consume a huge meal and then survive for incredibly long periods without eating again. In some cases, they have been documented surviving for more than a year between meals. How is that even possible? The secret lies in their metabolism. When a Burmese python hasn't eaten, its body enters an extreme energy-saving mode. Its heart rate slows down, and many bodily functions operate at minimal levels. It's like putting a computer into sleep mode to conserve battery. But once the snake catches prey, something remarkable happens. Within hours of eating, its digestive system powers up like a machine coming back online. Scientists have discovered that the python's organs actually grow larger after a meal. Its heart can increase significantly in size. Its liver expands. Its intestines become more active. Even the cells lining its digestive tract rapidly grow to absorb nutrients. The snake essentially rebuilds parts of its body to process the meal efficiently. What's even crazier is what they eat. A Burmese python can swallow prey much larger than its own head. Thanks to flexible jawbones connected by stretchy ligaments, the snake can open its mouth incredibly wide. They've been known to eat deer, pigs, birds, and other large animals. Once swallowed, powerful digestive acids break down nearly everything, even bones. The nutrients from one large meal can fuel the snake for months. In the wild, food isn't always available. Some predators must hunt constantly. But Burmese pythons can wait patiently for prey. If they catch a large meal, they can survive long periods without hunting again. This ability helps them thrive in environments where food can be unpredictable. It's one of the reasons they're such successful predators. This survival skill has also helped Burmese pythons become invasive in places like the state of Florida. After being introduced into the wild, these snakes adapted extremely well. Their ability to survive long periods without food allows them to endure harsh conditions and spread across large areas. Scientists continue studying them to better understand how they impact local wildlife. Conclusion. So the next time you think you're hungry after missing lunch, remember the Burmese python. This incredible snake can survive for over a year without eating, temporarily enlarge its organs after a meal, and digest prey far larger than most animals could handle. It's one of nature's most remarkable examples of adaptation and survival. Did you know about this amazing snake? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more unbelievable animal facts.